Hello everyone, I'm Hollis. Today, I will introduce for you how to draw the pattern with intarsia codes. Here are some steps we need to follow. The first step, drawing the pattern with intarsia codes. The second step, setting the intarsia ion carrier. The third step, setting compiling parameters. The last step, compile and check the compile result. Then, let's know about the intarsia front knitting code, the intarsia back knitting code, the intarsia front and back knitting code. From 211 to 219 belong to intarsia front knitting code. From 201 to 206 belong to intarsia back knitting code. From 221 to 226 belong to intarsia front and back knitting code. For the next step, we draw the intarsia pattern on the single jersey. Selection 211 code. Use this tool, fill the first row. Then fill the last row of the main body. Change the main body code into 211 intarsia code. Selection 212 intarsia code. Use this tool, draw the pattern. Circle this area, then copy. Selection 213 intarsia code. Fill into left side piece. Now you can find the left side piece and the right side piece are separated by the middle piece. For in this case, the left side and the right side intarsia code can use the one intarsia code. Here we change right side intarsia code. In addition, some ordinary package and normal transfer code also can be drawn on the pattern. Here we select 61 transfer code. Draw the transfer organization on the pattern. And select 123 package code. Drawing it on the pattern. For the next step, set intarsia ion carrier. Click main ion line. Here we set number 3, number 4, number 5 intarsia ion carrier. Click number 3 ion carrier. You can find it will need left side piece. Number 4 intarsia ion carrier. It will need middle piece. Number 5 intarsia ion carrier. It will need right piece. Click this area. We can change number 3 ion carrier into another intarsia ion carrier. Here we select number 2 intarsia ion carrier. Now we can find the intarsia ion carrier is number 2, number 4, and number 5. Here we select normal ion carrier. You can find the left side indicates the initial position of this intarsia ion carrier at left side. Number 5, intarsia young carrier initial position at right side. We can change the intarsia young carrier position. Now you can find the number 5 and the number 4 intarsia young carrier initial position has changed. Then compare and check the compare result. Pass compare, so this file no problem. Then let's check the compare result. You see this area, the transfer code and package code are correctly carried out. For the next step, I will introduce for you how to set the intarsia parameter. Before setting intarsia parameter, let's check the addition needles. Here addition 6 needles. This area addition 18 needles. Click yarn sighting. The yarn carrier leading in, we select keynote type 1. The yarn carrier leading in mode, we select front tuck and back knit. The yarn carrier leading out, we select keynote type 1. The yarn carrier leading out mode, we also select front tuck and back knit. Yarn carrier movement, same operation. The floating 6 indicates the yarn length is 6 needles. The space 3 indicates the distance from front tuck to back knit is 3 needles. Here same value, you can check the value as you are required. Then click intarsia joint. Here are 3 options. If you select staggered mode, the system will automatically carry out 2 rows combination into 1 rows. The 1 value indicates the distance from one needle to another needle is 1 needle. The 15 indicates the narrowing needles and addition needles. If less than the value, it will carry out stagger mode. If narrowing and addition needles more than 15 needles, it will carry out tuck mode. Here we can set dolphin setting. 2 rows dolphin 1 time. Now we change the region rows into 0 rows. Compare and check the compare result. Now you see the yarn carrier leading in is front tuck, back knit. Two rows dolphin 1 time. The young carrier leaning out. Same operation. Front knit, front tuck, back knit. Here addition 6 needles. It carried out 2 rows combination into 1 rows. This area addition 18 needles. It carried out tuck mode. The distance from one tuck to another tuck is 1 needle. You can find the middle piece. Use number 3 yarn carrier for knitting. When the middle piece knitting finish, the number 3 yarn carrier carried out, leading out. When it knitting next middle piece, it will carry out yarn carrier leading in. You see, this way not good, it will waste time. For in this case, we can change the reading rows, control the reading rows more than the distance from one middle piece to another middle piece is okay. Then let's check the distance. You see, here is 3 rows. Here we input 6 rows. Check again. Now you see, when the first middle piece knitting finish, the number 3 yarn carrier carried out yarn carrier movement. No carried out yarn carrier leaning in and out. So far, today's course is over. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye everyone.